Hi guys, sorry the lighting in here is not too good, but I went to Target tonight and I just got a few things. I got some of these in the back. It's hard to see them, but I'll tell you about that. Okay, so here goes. First of all, I got the cotton rounds. They are $2.04. There are smaller packs. I don't think the coupons are supposed to be used on those, so I just bought the bigger one, plus I needed them anyway. So $2.04, and I got 75 cents off that. The Bic Crystal pens, I got black and blue. Those are 99 cents right now. We have $1 off coupons that just came in the paper this week, making them free. The Purell is $2.49 each. I found these in the back to school aisle. They have the free small bottle of Purell. $2.49 each. I used 2 manufacturers coupons off the 8 ounce and 1 Target coupon off 2, making them 99 cents each. Now these are the Room Essentials 66-gallon clear containers. There's like blue and green. They have the tops. Those were on sale for $5.99. There is a 25% off on Cartwheel, so it actually makes those $4.49 a piece, which is an awesome deal for those. So I got 4, and yeah, that's all the stuff. And good luck, and hopefully you get good deals as well. And happy shopping. Bye.